Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing an API key from the mstock dashboard and securing it. Once done, export it as an environment variable so you don't leak secrets. Install the official SDK, or, if you prefer plain HTTP, ensure curl or requests is available. Next, set the base URL and API version in your config and verify your account ID. Run a simple get/status or /ping call to validate connectivity before moving on to authenticated endpoints. You'll implement authentication using the bearer token returned at login, store expiry and refresh tokens, and make your client refresh proactively. Then request market data by symbol and date range, honoring pagination and the published rate limits so your app doesn't get throttled. Once responses arrive, parse the JSON according to the schema, map fields to your models, and handle 4xx/5xx errors. If a request fails, retry with exponential backoff and log the full payload for debugging. You complete integration by implementing order placement in the sandbox, validate parameters, simulate fills, and confirm execution events. Then subscribe to webhooks for fills and account updates, verify signatures and timestamp bounds so you reject replayed messages. Move to production only after end-to-end tests, load testing, and monitoring are in place. If things go wrong, roll back to Sandbox, inspect logs, and replay failing requests to reproduce the issue. This makes root cause analysis much faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.